Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to move through forms 10 through 15, starting with the single whip. So let's get in position with our single whip. Left hand brings the left foot. Drop the bell, paint the fence. Left hand floats up. Right hand scoops the right foot in. That's 2. Three. Scoop the right foot in. Switch hands. Left hand brings the left foot in a little bit. Hold your bell, read your book, and single whip. And take a small step with the right, palms up. Turn the dantian, push, pull, reset. Step forward, push the left hand on top. Make the nice fan. Scoop in the right. Kick right. Then slice on top of the knees. Place the foot down. Weight shift forward. Double punch. Then turn, 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 turn. So you're turning towards your left. And fan, scoop the left leg in. And kick left. Then left hand pushes left foot down. Hold your bell and push away for our next move. All right, we'll do it 3 or 4 more times, and I will give fewer verbal cues each time. Just know that this is not mirror image once I face you. Unfortunately, your back will be to the video at that point, I believe. And here we are. Into your single whip position. And take a small step with the right, palms up. Push, pull, reset. Step cross, fan. Scoop the right foot in. Kick right. Slice. Step, double punch. Weight shift, turn, 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 turn. Fan, scoop the left foot in, kick left. Place the foot down, hold your bell, push away. A little slower this time. Release, small step. Weight shift back, push, pull. Step, turn that dantian to that right corner. Fan, scoop the right foot in, and kick right. Slice as you put the foot down, weight shift, double punch. Turn. Fan, left foot in, and kick left. Place the foot down, hold your bell, push away. And remember, you don't need to kick as high as I do, or even off the ground. You can do a toe touch. Just wait for me to get done with my kick, and then bring it back down. All right. And begin. Step. Push, pull. Reset. Step forward. Cross the wrist, fan. Scoop the right foot in. Kick right. Release, Slice, place the foot down, double punch. Turn, release, fan, connect the knee and elbow. It's kind of fun, isn't it? It's a beautiful move. All right, let's try it one more time, and then if you need more repetitions, which I hope that you will utilize, just go back to the beginning of the video, keep practicing it with me. And begin. Palms up, little step. Turn that dantian to 12 o'clock. Push, pull, reset. Step, turn the dantian to the right corner, fan, scoop the right foot in, cross the wrist, knee-elbow connection. Release it, slice across the top. Sit back down, place the foot, double punch. Weight shift back, turn, turn, turn. Fan, scoop the left foot in. Cross your wrist. I call this unfurling. Unfurling the arms, connect that elbow to knee, not literally touching it, but connecting it. Place the foot down, hold your bell with the right, push away with the left. Okay, so that's forms 10 through 15. You're really making nice headway. Keep practicing that. Go to another room. See how much you can do without any visuals or verbal instructions. And once you have that where you can move through that, or at least approximate it pretty well, then go on to our next lesson. But until that time, enjoy how much you've learned to this point and enjoy moving through Tai Chi. Remember, an inch deeper rather than a mile wider. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next lesson.